Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imtiaz Ahmed. I am a student at the University of Chittagong in the depth of environmental science. Today I'll be showing you three Microsoft Excel functions which are SUMIF, HLOOKUP and index. So for my first function I'll be showing you how to use SUMIF. SUMIF is an Excel function that acts like a smart calculator with a built-in filter. It scans up a specific row or column for a rule you set, like a specific name or number, and ignores everything else. Once it finds the matching data, it instantly adds up to the corresponding numbers from another column and gives you the total. So imagine we have a vertical list of daily sales. Imtiaz appears multiple times because he made sales on different days. We want to sum up only the sales made by Imtiaz. So we'll be writing a formula, the SUMIF formula, in an empty cell, and the formula is, I'll be pasting it here. And if we enter the formula, the sales made up by Imtiaz will be summed up here. If you look at the formula, here we'll see this text A1 to A5. This is the range from where to where Excel will be scanning, and in between the quotation, this is the criteria. Excel scans everywhere for this criteria, and this is the sum range from where the Excel will be scanning and adding up the numbers. For my second function, I'll be showing you how to use the HLOOKUP, basically the horizontal finder. So most people use VLOOKUP for vertical columns, but what happens when your data is laid out horizontally across the rows? That's where HLOOKUP shines. So this is a table, basically you could call it a sales table. So we want to find the total sales of Tasin. So if we paste the HLOOKUP formula here and press enter, then it will find the total sales of Tasin right here, 700. If we look into the formula, at first we have Tasin in between the quotation marks. This is basically the lookup value. Excel is going to look across the very first row until it bumps into the name Wahid. Next we have the table array, which is A1 to D3. This is the entire boundary of your data set. Next we have the row index number. If we count downwards, starting from the header row, row 1 is employee, row 2 is row 2 is region, row 3 is total sales. Because we want sales, we type 3. And next we have the range lookup, which is false. This forces Excel to find the exact name Tasin, not something familiar, and this is how it works. For my third and final function, I'll be showing you how to use index. So we have 3 into 3 table on my screen showing student details in cells A1 to C4. My goal is to pull out Tasin's department by using index. So here we will paste the index formula. This is the index formula, and if we look at the index formula, A1 to C4, the highlighted part, this is the map. This is a data block excluding the headers, and this 3, this is the row GPS. If we count down to second row inside our box, this lands on the row for Tasin, and again here 3, this is the column GPS. Now we count across to the third column inside our box. This lands on the student department column. So now if we press enter, the department for Tasin will show up.